Boys Girls, today we are doing the in or out slime challenge. And did you guys notice anything different? Did you? Just comment down below if you noticed anything different about this video. If anything
Julia's
different.
shirt.
Yeah. Not that. I have no clue if it's something
Annalise's
on.
ears,
Who
not-
noticed Rachel's wearing earrings from the last video? What?
Well, don't point that out yet. So this is actually really cool because I'm tracking you. Because we've seen it on Instagram and on YouTube, but not quite like we're gonna do it today.
We really want you guys to play along with us. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise. I'm Julia.
And I'm Rachel. They're fraternal twins and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you've done this thing. Nope. So let us know in the comments down below if you've done those things and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started.
We have two boxes. One is questions and one is are you in or are you out? We will find out whether or not we are in or out, and then we will figure out what we're gonna put in our bowl. This one will ask us the question and this one will tell us what to do.
First we need our bowls. Oh wait you guys, we have our spoons as well. Okay, we needed our spoons and our bowls. First one, what?
I decided Annalise goes first.
I'm gonna go first. Oh no. Where are my eyes? It's in a box.
They're all folded.
Oh yeah, they're all folded. I don't need to cover them.
That's it, don't close it. Okay, put it down.
Mine says, have you brushed your teeth today? Yes, I went to school today. I brushed my teeth.
Who didn't brush their teeth when
Open
they went
the
to
pink
school?
box.
Wash your hands.
Alrighty. Okay.
Who organized this challenge?
Yes, you're in. Grab some flumbies. No, you're out. Sorry, Charlie. So I'm in. I did. I got flumbies. Alright, I'm gonna pick these pink ones. Okay. Do I add them in? Go for it. Are you wearing leggings? Yes, sweatpants. No, they're leggings.
Here's sweatpants.
No.
Wait, let me see. Oh, they are leggings.
Don't try and condemn the point in this.
She could get. Shh. Shh. Yes, you're out. So sad. I told you.
So Julia just got out of the challenge?
No, she's just out of that round.
I'm out. You lost. Ha! You should have said that they were
Magical. Alright, you lot.
Ew!
Have you been on TikTok today?
No. What is it? No. I was on it right now. Like right when we first started the video, my mommy was like, Annalise, put down the phone.
No, you're in. You get pigment.
Oh my gosh.
Mom doesn't like Annalise being on Musical.ly at all, so
It's called TikTok.
I don't care. Is this it? Or is there a brighter green one in here?
Dare?
Okay, that's it. I'll do
You dare? So only Rachel and I got ingredients this time, and we're gonna go ahead and add them to our bowls.
Is that necessary?
They're so pretty. Catch me up inside.
Unintentional amount.
Time for round two. You literally hit me. Okay. She will. It's my turn now. What?
Totally.
Wait. Let's forget about it. What the heck?
Where
Have
was
you
this
played
last?
a video game today? Absolutely not, because I'm not allowed to. That's like a forbidden thing in my world. What? What?
Stop
Sounded
squawking.
like Wyatt. I'm so sorry. Wyatt?
Yeah, Jill, that's what you want your name to be if you were a
Please be
boy.
big. Oh my god, no. Yes, you're in. Grab some white glue. She already got white glue. Yeah. Oh, no, you're out. Oh, you're right. She said no, so.
My turn.
She
Cheerleading.
yeah, I mean, she is out again.
Julia.
Sorry.
Worst of luck to you.
Oh, by the way, we forgot to say that we will pick 3 special winners for a shout out. If you guys comment down below how many you got right and how many times you got out. So comment down. And Rachel, it's your turn. Go. These are kind of scary. It's like,
Does your first name end with a constant?
Continent?
Consonant.
Wait, what?
Consonant.
Oh,
Consonant.
consonant. It looks like constant.
What's
I'm
consonant?
dyslexic.
What is that? What's a consonant? It's
I've
Wait, it's anything other than the vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
Okay,
Do you know how
does
long
your name end in a consonant, Rachel?
L?
Yes, it's L consonant.
Yes. Yes.
Is it?
A, E, I, O, U. It's not. It's not a vowel. I, O, U. Rachel.
A-E-I-O-U.
Yes. Get some help.
My name ends in a consonant, so I'm gonna see if I'm in or out. Yes, you're in. Grab some clear glue.
Are you kidding me? I need clear glue. It is my turn. We had a kind of a mental breakdown.
Yeah, mental breakdown indeed.
Alright, ready? Do you have braces? Yes, I do have braces.
You were just pulling at your eye where you like you were about to take something off.
No, do not say
You
that.
reached up like, yeah, totally up here.
Yes, you're out. Too bad. Yes! Welcome to the not to the death world.
Ready?
I made mistakes. I crashed. Just kidding. Crash and burn. So many chances. No time to learn. That's not even quarter of it.
It's probably good. You don't have to use the bottle.
And I'm going to pour into this bottle of misery and sorrow. But just keep it going. You
Yeah.
know what? We're just gonna have the whole thing.
Make
My
sure
throat
the
is
bowl doesn't
overflowing with misery and sorrow. Deadly teeth. What?
No.
Look at this ball. Isn't it? It's so full of like foam. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Yours looks the best. Okay, you guys. So now it is time for round 3, and Mitchell goes first.
Here's a random phone charger.
Make mistake. God help us all.
You already have a birthday this year. Could you have made that question a little, later?
What?
I did not have a birthday this year.
Make mistakes.
Okay, Jillo, look up.
I'm sorry. Stop! You're messing up my hairdo.
No, you're.
It's lost in the maze. Okay.
I haven't had a birthday this year, so I get more pigment. It says no, I am in, so I get to pick one pigment.
White.
By the way, I hope you guys are answering along with us.
Just ignore what's going on in that.
Dora
Mom,
gets
you have
one.
7 foreheads. Why? Did you straighten your hair today? I did. See, I straightened it this morning. Ow!
Julia's like, yeah, shut up, it's time to go.
Yes, you're out. Too bad. Ah! Okay. Really? Now you feel my death. I'm in pain and sorrow. Well, wow. It says Hagabashi. It's upside down. Are you wearing blue today? Yes. No, you're not. No, I know. Dang it.
You should have grabbed the other card.
She got out again!
She should have grabbed the other
What?
card because it said
What?
not.
So only Rachel got something that round. So again, you can look at Julia's beautiful bowl of clearness.
The transparent slime.
Do you see that?
And my bowl of gorgeous
Does everybody see this paper slime?
stuff.
It's toilet
It's-
slime. See? It's toilet.
It's depression in a bowl.
That's for your toilet. All right, my turn to go first. Do you hate this challenge? Yes. I win $1 million. Ah. It really said, did I pet an animal today? Yes. I played with Kittles whenever I got home from school. Please. Yes.
I am literally good
You
at
did
this
not have
challenge.
milk?
I didn't have milk.
When?
Before we filmed.
You
Oh,
didn't
it's
in your
right
mac
here.
and cheese.
Gosh, no.
Wait. Grab some clear
It is my turn.
Can you open to me?
I am.
Are you wearing pink today?
Yes.
No, she's not. She's wearing like red.
It's
Fuchsia.
not.
That's pink.
It's pink. Is it magenta? It's magenta.
I'm just expressing all my inner feelings. Yes, you are out. So sorry.
I'm out. But hey, I would have got shaving cream otherwise, so it's kind of like you.
Only I got something that rounds
You
up.
don't want to add all the. We only have 2 more rounds, guys. I may have like one thing in my bowl. Okay, let's go.
Hey,
Rachel, go.
do you have to get activator too? Yeah. Thank you. Have you been on Instagram today? I've seen my mom on Instagram
No,
today.
no, you have not.
No. So. Yes, you're in. Grab some clear glue.
No,
And-
she's out. No, you're out.
Yeah.
Goodness. All right. Have you eaten any fruit today? I have eaten fruit today.
What counts as fruit? It's an avocado, you're out.
What? An avocado.
Sure, no watermelon.
Oh, I just eat one. Main mistake. It's close. This is like every second of the video. Yes, you're out. See ya. No, I needed that.
Okay, my turn.
Main mistake. I hate this challenge so much.
Do you hate this challenge with all your heart?
Yes.
Wait.
Oh,
Are you wearing?
I was wearing socks just a second ago before we filmed.
Oh no, no.
The question is, are you wearing socks?
No.
Da da da.
Yes. Bum 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 bum.
Looks like Julia can have clear.
I want the brush. My turn. No one got anything that round. Made mistake. Crashed. I choose this one. Have you watched TV today? I have.
That wouldn't
What?
be TikTok. No.
That would not be TikTok.
YouTube isn't TV either.
Yes, you're out. So sad.
You didn't watch television.
Oh, television?
You watched.
I watched YouTube and TikTok, so no?
You did not.
No, you're in. Grab some shaving cream. Did you get shaving cream and plum? Okay.
Okay, you guys, it's my turn now. That was a crazy, weird thing that just happened.
Did you go to school today?
It's Wednesday,
Yes.
Julia.
I did, and yes, I am in. And so I gotta grab some flow beads, and my choice is blue.
My turn. Okay. Is your hair in a braid, bun, or ponytail?
Yes.
Ponytail. Yeah.
There's like 2 left.
There's one left.
You're in. Grab some white glue. That wasn't what I wanted, but whatever. Okay.
I love it. I really want shaving cream.
I'm sorry, I just put these
You know you would go like.
Here we go. Oh look, I'm done. Oh look, there we go.
No.
There we go.
Okay, you guys. So we're gonna do one more round because you can see the state of sadness in this bowl. These bowls. So let's just go. Julia, go. Now, I command you, Choo Choo.
What?
Have you been on TikTok today? No, she hasn't been. I've been. No, you're in. Shaving cream.
Does your first name start with a vowel? No.
It's not like the last one because it said
No. Consonant or something. No, you're in. Grab some shaving cream.
You have to share
I don't
shaving cream.
want shaving cream.
All right, I have one last, and it is. Are you wearing pink today? No, I'm not. I want sure what's in here. So many options. We'll just choose this one. Yes, you're in. Grab some clear glue. Yes, I need clear glue. Okay.
Looks like all of us are gonna have
really
shaving
happy.
cream.
Yes! We got it in. Now watch me whip. Now watch me in it. I feel like this is like the syrup on my ice cream sundae. Yeah.
Corn syrup.
And it's melting your
like
ice
corn
cream.
syrup.
It's melting her ice cream.
It's the acid that destroys life.
Just gonna have heaven right here.
You know you got clear glue in there, right?
Actually, what if I just, Julie used up all the shaving cream, so I'm gonna use the shave gel. Oops, you just have to snap it. Silence. Can you hear the farting sounds?
Nobody got glitter. You know what? Shut your mouth.
This is going to ruin my slime, bro.
Julia, you can start stirring. We're just in such a damn.
Oh yes! I put enough green pigment in to dull out the shizzle.
The shizzle on the pizzle. On the mizzle. Play from the gizzle.
I think you have slime without any
That
activator.
got
Yeah, I think I do.
nizzle.
I bet there was a chemical reaction between the white and clear glue, and then when the shave gel hit it, it just happened. I have slime and I have not activated it at all with activator, so I'm guessing this is a bonus point for me. So
What?
score.
No,
win.
young lady, youngest of
How about a
all
bonus
this.
5
She
points?
probably already won anyway.
Can we do that? Bonus 5 points.
It's part of it, and also the prettiest.
A bonus
one. Let's
49.
go.
Oh my god.
Oh.
You got 49 points for having a
Whoa.
bonus.
Ooh, and pretty. White and pink are cute together. I wish I added more foam. And yeah, but it's cute. I like it. I like the number 7.
Yeah, we don't.
Is yours also slime already? No activator?
Spanish
Look at
into
this
English,
fuzzy
please.
white fluff. I already got slime. Look at this fuzzy white fluff. It's fluffy and it's fuzzy. Mine's special. I should get extra points because I'm the only one using activator. Mine's special.
Hey,
The bonus is if you don't need activator, so you're
Look
out.
at how close we came to unicorn poop.
Oh! Yes! The unicorn poop!
Thanks
Curse
to me, I
is
broke it.
Gone!
I picked a color outside the spectrum.
Oh no, it's not ready yet. Look guys, see how magnificent this is as it pours down slowly?
It's a turd.
Just give me 2 boxes of shaving cream and I will be screaming with joy. By the way, we also have shout outs today for our shopping video. If you didn't see that, we'll leave the link to it down below so you can check it out. If you participated in those polls, then we might give you a shout out at the end of this video. Guys, I'm in pause trance.
I thought you.
Okay, so this is my slime. I didn't fully activate it yet, but I'm just gonna show you it. I'll finish activating it while we do shout outs. But it's pink and white. That's kind of it. So it's like,
Yeah, that's kind of it.
that's really it.
That's
But
just
it's
it.
really nice.
But it's also slime. It has like 7 different components.
This is my beautiful, non-breaking, stretchy heaven.
And my slime is a kind of minty or kiwi green color, but it could also be pistachio.
Or pecan. No, it couldn't. I'm a
Pecan is
liar.
brown.
That was really fun. Look, I mean, I almost didn't get slime at all, but then luck just came raining down on me. So, from the heavenly slime gods that do not exist. We really hope that you guys enjoyed this and that you will let us know how you did through this challenge.
And if you do want us to do it again, please let us know in the comments down below. Now it is time for shout outs.
Micah Cheney, Lillian Goodwin,
Victoria Rodriguez Cardenas,
Shaylin Clark, Reese Reha,
and Sophia Ramirez.
and we also have our Instagram shout outs.
These were the first 3 people who commented on our shopping challenge that had voted in all the polls.
Brookberry11, Caitlin Weeks,
And XX Beaches, it's Danny XX.
thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did,
Please give it a big thumbs up. We love you guys so much. Bye.